this is Pooja. Welcome back to Punya's Flameless Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a special sweet corn chaat. This is a very tasty chaat item and you can make it at home. It's very simple. It also represents my motto, easy, healthy and tasty. So let's get started with the ingredients. We need some corn, it's cooked. Then we need capsicum. I am using green capsicum. You can use red or yellow. Now we need some grated carrots, onions, pineapples, steamed chana. We also need some green chili, coriander leaves, butter, lemon juice, chaat masala and honey. Let's get started. So first we're gonna put the main ingredient called corn. Yeah, you guys know. So let's just put it all inside this big bowl. Very healthy. Okay. So now we have put the corn. Let's put the capsicum. If you want to make it more colorful, as I said, you can again use red or yellow capsicum. I'm using green. Yay, the capsicum is now put. Now for some grated carrot. Let's put the grated carrot in here. It's gonna be very tasty. I can feel it. Now for some onions. So you can put any vegetable or fruit and as much as you want. It's totally up to you. Now we need some pineapple. Who doesn't like pineapple? I love them. Yay! And last but not the least, some chana. Okay, very well. Now let's put the green chili. Guys, you can put very less chili if you're like not a spicy girl or boy. Alright, all the green chilies are in. Now for some yummy lemon juice. So I haven't put salt, it's just the juice of a lemon. Yep, all done. Now butter. So I'm coming to butter and I'm telling you all that I'm using some salted butter. So you can use cooking butter, but if you're using cooking butter, please put some salt. Now for the chaat masala. Let's see. Okay, this is too much. Alright. Okay, perfect. So let's just put it. Oh yeah. Come on, come on. Okay, I think that's enough. Now for our lovely sweet honey. Okay, very good. It opened fast, I'm happy. Okay, get in there. Yay, good. I think that's enough. Alright, good. I love honey. Okay. I can't keep this honey drop on my finger. I just want to eat it now. Okay. Okay, for some coriander leaves. This coriander leaf is for decoration. So I'll put it at the end just to decorate it. So first, mixy time. It might be a little difficult to mix at first because it's like so much. But I think it'll be easier afterwards. And I'm seriously telling you, you can use any vegetable you want. You can, instead of putting these chanas, you can put almonds, cashew nuts, all of them, peanuts. Just cook them nice, make them soft, and then put them in this whole big lot of yumminess. Okay, keep mixing. Okay, let's just mix them a bit more. Let's bring the bottom parts up, and then we'll be done and done and done. Bye bye. Shoo shoo. Okay, I think that's perfectly mixed. Alright, so for the coriander leaves. Okay, let's just put bit by bit by bit so that we can decorate it. Should I put it with a spoon? Okay, fine, with a spoon. Come on, get off. Alright, I'm just gonna put it like that. Get off. Say bye-bye to your bowl and get into a big bowl with all your friends. All your friends. Yes, good boy. Bit there, and some there, and some there, and some there, and some there. Okay, I think that's very much enough. Okay, that's like too much. Alright. Now comes for my favorite part. And I guess yours too. So it's the tasting time. And for the tasting time, I have bought a new friend with us. It's very tasty again. And it's none other than lemon juice. I think I suggest you eating this with masala tea, because it's like the best combination ever. But I think I'm going to drink some lemonade, because I think lemonade's good for me. Okay, so I know which one first. Okay, this one first. Okay, time for some tasting. Right, ready? I'm gonna eat it. Do you guys want it? Want it? Want it? Okay, I can't give it to you anyways. Wow. This is so good. It is the best in the world. It's so good, you guys. I'm like into the world of chaat, of the special sweet corn chaat. Guys, you have to try it at home. Alright. Okay, I want to drink this lemonade. So yeah. It's with ice. That's nice. So good. Time for some salad. Okay. Okay, so my friends out here really like my lemonade, so whenever I drink it, it's always coming to me. Okay, so you guys have to try it at home. It's so delicious, so tasty, and I guess it's the best for an evening snack. Because I guess most of you drink teas and coffees and all with at evening, so I think you have to make this with it. It's like a snack. And please like and subscribe to my channel if you really liked it. And stay home and stay safe. Bye. Thank you.